Alright, hi everyone, I'm back, and today I would like to talk about my 1929 Model A Roadster's electric windshield wiper motor, which, if we can get this where you can, I don't know if I'll be able to focus it, but it was made by EA Laboratories Inc. in Brooklyn, New York. And it was a pretty cool little mechanism, and I'm going to have a question later on, but the drive for the gear, which comes through this motor right here, and then that's it on the very end of the shaft there, and it goes through this hole and then spins this gear. And if you watch, and this gear here rotates, you can kind of see the blade where my finger is moving back and forth. And so how it does this is this will pull off, then this smaller one pulls off, and then this big one does all the magic with this. I'm going to choose to call it a key gear. And if you were to move this around in a circle, you would see that would just be driven right by the circle that's on the back of this main gear, and there it is. So I do have a question for it, though. It's really cool. This is the motor, if I can get it to focus, that goes in there. And when I hook it up to a battery or a voltmeter, it still draws power. The question that I don't understand is it doesn't spin. And it's not bound up. It spins really smoothly. This is kind of soldered together, but if I can get it to focus, the brushes, yeah, there it goes. The brushes still make contact. It seems still well lubricated. Of course, when I put it back together, I will probably put something on it anyway, just for good measure's sake. But it seems to work well. But it doesn't spin. So I was wondering if anyone who rebuilt these little motor parts or sold replacements for them, because I would like it to be operational. I think that would be really cool. But yeah, if you do know anyone, I would appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this. Oh yeah, one little tip I wanted to talk about on this key gear is if you want it out, you just kind of lift this up, and you just keep spinning the blade until it will rock out. Now, very important, like this is about the angle that the wiper blade was at above the windshield line to put it back in, and then if you just rotate it back, well, if you do it right, which we'll move it back over here, and now if you just, there it goes, and you just pull it in, and then you need to do a test to make sure that you can, with your finger before you put it into big ring gear, to make sure you got it right. And just make sure that you can see. So I think I messed this up because when it gets over to this end, the wiper's hitting this bolt that holds the motor onto the windshield. So I'll readjust that in a minute off camera. I've wasted enough of your time already. But I would like to, if y'all know how I can get that motor rebuilt, I would appreciate it. Thank you.